We've all been there. Someone starts tickling us and we burst into laughter. It's involuntary, it's irresistible. And it's a little bit strange when we think about it. Why do we laugh when we're tickled? What is it about this light touch that sends us into fits of giggles? The answer, it turns out, lies deep within our brains. Tickling is not just a simple reflex. It's a complex interplay of nerves, brain regions, and emotions. It's a phenomenon that speaks to our social nature and our capacity for joy. The science of tickling is just as fascinating as the experience itself. It all starts with our skin, the largest organ of the human body. Our skin is covered in millions of sensory receptors, each tuned to detect different types of touch. When we're tickled, specialized nerve endings called Meissner's corpuscles are activated. These corpuscles are particularly sensitive to light, fluttering touch, the kind that sends shivers down our spine. The signal travels from these nerve endings up the spinal cord and into the brain, where it takes a fascinating journey through different regions. The signal first reaches the somatosensory cortex, the part of the brain that processes touch sensations. This is where we perceive the tickling sensation itself. But the signal doesn't stop there. It also travels to the anterior cingulate cortex, a region involved in processing emotions and social information. This is where the tickle starts to become a laugh. Tickling, in many ways, is a social act. We laugh when we're tickled, not just because it feels strange, but because it often signals playful interaction with another person. Think about it. When was the last time you were tickled by a stranger? Probably not recently, if ever. Tickling is often reserved for those we feel close to, those with whom we share a bond of trust and affection. There's a reason why parents instinctively tickle their babies. It's a way to elicit laughter and joy, to strengthen the bond between parent and child. As children grow, tickling becomes a way to connect with peers, to build friendships through shared laughter and play. It's a form of non-verbal communication that transcends language barriers, a way to connect on a primal, emotional level.